Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's noun word. So, group. Group. People that come together. Group. Coming together. This is a small group. This is my group of friends. My friends all come together. When we all come together. Those groups are not with us. Not with us. This is one group. That's a different group. A different group of friends. One group, another group. Nice. Without groups, some people would be alone. 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 So, group, one, singular, and groups, plural. One group, two groups. There are lots of groups of people. There's lots of groups of people. A group over there, a group over here, 3 people. Another group, 4 people. Another group, 5 people. Different groups. I see different groups of people everywhere. Yeah, very good. How cool is that? Yeah. So, the group has always been helpful. I have learned a lot from being part of this group. Yeah, it is full of smart people. Smart people in these groups. Oh, very impressed. Yeah. My group is here. My group is here. So, I'm lost and looking for my group, maybe as part of a tourist group, a tour guide, or a guided tour, and we got separated from the group. I need to find my group. I'm lost. I'm lost. Where are they? Where is my group? Yeah, I'm part of the guided tour. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So we are looking for a new group of friends. There are different groups of people, and I'm looking for a new group of friends. Yeah, group of friends. Makes sense. Yeah, because look at these. They're a group. They're all together. Yeah. This group does things together all the time. Yeah, all the time. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? So my group is a small group. Not many people are invited into it. Invited. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So, group. People that come together. Group and groups, singular and plural, different groups. Very nice. So, can you then write a sentence with group in it and put it in the comment box below? Cool. Yeah. And subscribe to the channel. There are more videos on the way, more videos. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. And Udemy, just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.